Hello, in this video, let us show you how to add arrows and text on the screen. To add an arrow, right-click the mouse. A command pops up, Add Arrow Label. Click it, get a caliper, click and drag away. That becomes your arrow head. When complete, just hit the Enter button. To move around the arrow, just click it, and you can drag it to the target location that you wish. To change the size or position of the arrow, click it once. The white box at the arrow tip, click it. Note that white cross, you're going to move it, and you can swivel it to the size and position that you wish. You can also do it from the tail. Click it again, click the white box from the tail, and move the arrow around to your location that you wish. If you want to change the arrow color, click it once, then right-click, and you can click on Edit Arrow Color. And you can pick another color from the sequence. Pick this box, whatever box you wish of the color, click OK, and click once, and there you go. To delete the arrow, click it once, right-click on it, right-click on it, hit delete, and there your arrow is removed. If you wish multiple arrows, just simply do the process again, right-click, add arrow label, and then you can add in more arrows as you wish. You can add text when the arrow comes up after you click add arrow label. This box, you could type in whatever term you want, or you can pick from the list. So if you go down the list, one of these has a whole list of the particular terms, and you can pick one term from the list here. Well, let's say I pick 3D. I just click this 3D, it applies, hit enter, and then there we go. To delete, simply right click and hit delete, and there we go. You can add text on the screen without the arrow, simply pressing the letter T on the keyboard. So pressing the letter T very quickly on the keyboard, and then left click the mouse, you'll see the little icon pop up or the tab, and then just like before, you can type in the term that you wish and hit enter, or you could select it from the list. Like before, you could click the term and move it around on the screen. To edit the text, click it once, right click, go to this one, edit text, font, and color. So you could change the style, the font style. Let's make it bold. Let's make it kind of large. Let's say 18. Let's change the color. I don't know. Let's make it, let's say, red. And when you click OK, there is your new enlarged and color changed text. Again, you can add in more text. Just simply press the letter T on the keyboard, and you can add additional text items if you wish. So you can save your work to a scene by clicking the arrow and just naming the scene, or if you can right click and you can save as, save image, or you could save it in the screenshot using the snipping tool, or however you want to use that. Saving scene and capturing will also covered in another instructional video if you wish to visit those. And that's how you add arrows and text on the screen. Thanks for watching. Please see our other training videos for other topics.